The Ring Design Committee is honored to present the Virginia Tech Class of 2025 Debbie and Jim Petrine Ring Collection. Named for the ideals that carry us through our years as a class and create Hokie spirit for the future. Pylon. Viva. Ignite. Champion. 2025. Exit light. Enter night. And O'Rourke. The Virginia Tech class ring has been redesigned by each class every year for over a century. Introducing the 2025 ring, the Petrine, created to highlight our experiences as a class and as Hokies.
The university side is inspired by revered symbols from rings past and remains constant, carrying forward 150 years of tradition through future rings. 8 stars salute the 8 Virginia Tech alumni awarded the Congressional Medal of Honor. Flanked by the flags of the United States and the Commonwealth of Virginia, Burris Hall, completed in 1936, stands proudly over the drill field as the historic foundation of campus. Our motto, Ut Prosim, that I may serve, sits atop Torgerson Bridge, the gateway to the drill field. The Corps of Cadets crest embodies the tradition upon which the university was founded as an all-cadet military academy. The University Shield, created in 1896, represents the agricultural and mechanical emphasis in the university's first century. The 1872 shield mirrors the shield on the first class ring, designed in 1911. The pylons represent the core values of Virginia Tech: brotherhood, honor, leadership, sacrifice, service, loyalty, duty, and Ut Prosim. The cenotaph bears the names of the Congressional Medal of Honor recipients. Lest we forget is etched on the rock, a memorial on Upper Quad honoring the Virginia Tech alumni who gave their lives during World War I. The Screaming Eagle, featured on every class ring since 1911, grasps crossed sabers, reminding us of the university's military heritage, history, and traditions. 3 stars represent Hokie's past, present, and future.
Designed to exhibit our unity, the 2025 class side serves as a physical representation of our years shared at Virginia Tech. 32 interlocking links display the number 2025, connecting us as a class. Hokie tracks span the globe, epitomizing the spirit of the Virginia Tech community around the world. The tornado spun its way through the Blue Ridge Mountains, starting our freshman year with a twist and blowing us away by the reality of college. Hokie spirit was amplified as we entered Virginia Tech in the sesquicentennial year. we rushed Worsham Field at our first home victory as students, celebrating with the sight of fireworks booming over Lane Stadium. Our women's basketball team bounced their way to victory, finally lifting the 2023 ACC Championship trophy, then marched their way to the madness of the Final Four in Dallas, Texas. Our men's basketball team dribbled their way from Castle Coliseum to victory in Brooklyn, New York, bringing home the 2022 ACC Championship trophy. The class of 2025 encourages each of you to ignite your curiosity as you live out our motto, Curiositatem Accendiae. Hokies gather for a late-night cheesy bite of the Virginia slice on 2 plates at Benny's. Center Street lives in infamy as the most iconic spot for Hokies to rally on game days. We carry our spirited voices to Lane Stadium to create an uproar during Enter Sandman, registering on a seismograph. The Corps of Cadets crossbelts display the time Quad Zero, paying tribute to the annual vigil held at midnight in remembrance of those lost on April 16, 2007. The Class of 2025 Ring Design Committee is proud to present the 115th Virginia Tech Class Ring. This lifelong symbol of Hokie pride is now a part of the extraordinary lineage of rings past, each a remarkable chapter in the history of Virginia Tech.